Okay, let's dive into how you can run some seriously powerful Linux apps on your Chromebook.
Yeah, ever wish you could go beyond just web apps and run actual desktop software on it?
I mean, what if you could run things like VS Code, GIMP, or LibreOffice?
Well, there's actually a simple, totally official way to do just that. No risky stuff needed. It's called Crostini. Think of it as Google's official way to run Linux right on ChromeOS. And the best part? It doesn't require developer mode, and your apps integrate perfectly.
Okay, getting it running is incredibly easy. We're going to do it in just 3 steps.
All right, step 1. Just click on your system tray and then hit the settings gear icon.
Okay, next up, head over to About ChromeOS, and from there, you'll see Developers. And for the final step, just click Setup, choose a username, and then hit Install.
Now, this part takes about 5 to 15 minutes, so just let your Chromebook do its thing.
And once that's finished, you'll be greeted by this, your brand new Linux terminal.
Now, the very first thing you should do is run this command to update everything. Okay, ready for the fun part? To install an app, you just use sudo apt install. For example, to get a great photo editor, you just type sudo apt install GIMP.
And what's really cool is your new app just appears right in your ChromeOS launcher.
Sharing files is super easy too. You can move them back and forth in the Files app.
So you might be wondering, how does this compare to other methods you've heard about?
Well, as you can see, Crostini is by far the lowest risk option for modern Chromebooks.
So really, the main takeaway here is pretty clear for most modern Chromebook owners. With Crostini, you get amazing security, stability, and it's just so easy to use.
This really does transform your device. So, now that it's supercharged, what will you create?